Picture this: the global AI in manufacturing market, valued at $3.2 billion in 2023, is projected to skyrocket to $20.8 billion by 2028. This rapid advancement of AI is truly revolutionizing the manufacturing industry. From enhancing efficiency and productivity to driving innovation at an unprecedented pace, AI's role is becoming increasingly integral. Leading companies such as Amazon and Tesla are making significant strides in this space, planning to increase the number of AI robots in their operations. Autonomous planning for supply chain management, predictive maintenance to prevent breakdowns, AI-driven quality control. These are just a few of the many ways AI is changing the game in manufacturing. With such transformative potential, it's no wonder that manufacturers across the globe are racing to integrate AI into their operations. However, like all powerful tools, AI brings with it a host of ethical dilemmas. As we delve into the world of AI, we encounter a landscape of incredible opportunities but also of significant challenges. The integration of AI in manufacturing processes is not without its potential drawbacks. One of the key concerns is data privacy. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they require vast amounts of data to function effectively. This raises questions about who owns this data, how it's used, and how it's protected. Another contentious issue is job displacement. As AI-powered robots and systems become more prevalent in manufacturing, there's a fear that human workers could be replaced, leading to job losses. It's a delicate balance between embracing the efficiency that AI can bring and ensuring that it doesn't lead to widespread unemployment. Bias is another ethical dilemma that often comes to the fore. AI systems are only as good as the data they're trained on. If this data is biased in any way, the AI system will replicate and even amplify these biases, leading to unfair outcomes. This is particularly concerning in sectors like manufacturing, where AI could be used in decision-making processes, such as hiring or performance reviews. Transparency, accountability, and fairness are therefore paramount in the deployment of AI. Stakeholders need to understand how AI systems make decisions and who is accountable when things go wrong. It's also crucial that AI systems are fair and don't discriminate against certain groups. Moreover, it's vital to consider the environmental sustainability of AI technologies. The energy consumption of AI systems can be significant, and it's important to ensure that the environmental impact is minimized. Addressing these ethical challenges is crucial for ensuring that the benefits of AI are harnessed responsibly and equitably. The ethical deployment of AI in manufacturing is not just about avoiding harm, it's about actively promoting good, safeguarding human dignity, and preserving the environment for future generations. It's about shaping a future where AI not only drives efficiency and innovation, but also upholds the values that we hold dear. To truly understand the impact of AI, let's examine a groundbreaking case study. Picture this: a manufacturing powerhouse, let's say a company like Airbus, Siemens, or Hitachi, harnessing the transformative potential of artificial intelligence. They've integrated AI technologies into their operations, optimizing everything from product design to supply chain management. For instance, they use autonomous planning to streamline their supply chain, predictive maintenance to prevent breakdowns, and AI-driven quality control to ensure the highest standards. This implementation of AI has revolutionized their operations, skyrocketing their efficiency and productivity. Their product development time and costs have been reduced drastically thanks to generative AI transforming their product conceptualization and design processes. But what about the workforce? The integration of AI technology, including the use of cobots for collaborative work, has significantly altered the traditional manufacturing methods. While automation has enhanced efficiency, it has also led to job displacement. Workers who once manned assembly lines or performed routine tasks are now finding their roles obsolete in the face of AI's proficiency. This raises significant ethical considerations. On one hand, companies can produce more, faster, and at a lower cost. On the other, the human element of manufacturing, the workers, is being displaced, leading to concerns about job security and income inequality. Moreover, although AI has the potential to unlock unprecedented levels of productivity, it's not without its challenges. Many manufacturers struggle to extract significant financial gains from AI due to various barriers such as data quality issues and a lack of alignment between AI capabilities and operational needs. This case study underscores the transformative power of AI in manufacturing, but also the complex ethical considerations it raises. It's a delicate balance between harnessing AI's potential to revolutionize manufacturing and ensuring the fair treatment and consideration of the human workforce. As we move forward, these are the challenges we must navigate in order to realize a future where AI and humans can coexist and thrive in the manufacturing industry. As we look to the future, the ethical considerations of AI in manufacturing will only become more pressing. The rapid advancements in AI technology and its integration into manufacturing processes are creating a new frontier. A frontier that demands we navigate complex ethical questions around fairness, transparency, privacy, and accountability. The global AI in manufacturing market, valued at $3.2 billion in 2023, is projected to reach an astounding $20.8 billion by 2028. With such rapid growth, it's inevitable that ethical challenges will emerge alongside the benefits. The World Economic Forum has established the AI Governance Alliance to create responsible AI governance frameworks and ensure transparent and inclusive AI systems. The ethical deployment of AI in manufacturing is not a task for a single entity, but a collaborative effort. It requires the joint action of policymakers, industry leaders, technologists, and the public. The shared goal? To harness the potential of AI while safeguarding human dignity, promoting equality, and preserving the environment for future generations. But the conversation doesn't stop here. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the ethical implications of AI in manufacturing. Do you think we're on the right track? What additional measures should we take to ensure responsible AI practices? The path forward is complex, but with careful consideration and collaboration, we can harness the power of AI while upholding our ethical responsibilities. As we wrap up, we hope this exploration of AI ethics in manufacturing has given you food for thought. Your time and attention are truly appreciated. Don't forget to explore the video cards on the end screen for more insights and information. If you're as excited about the future of technology as we are, consider subscribing to stay updated on the latest advancements. Thank you for joining us today. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.